Hey, let me show you what you can do if you try to connect your AirPods Pro 3 into your iPhone, but this pop-up notification is not showing here, even though that you are in the pairing mode. So the same issue appears on the iPads. So first of all, you have to close this charging case like so. Now, you will have to simply open that charging case and click twice, 2 times, until this indicator change its color into the red one. Now we just successfully perform a reset and it turns on for the pairing mode automatically. Now we have to just close it. Yeah. Now go to your iPhone or iPad and simply make sure that you have turned on the Bluetooth. There we go. And also if you have other iOS devices, Apple devices, make sure that you are not connected with them, because sometimes they just connect automatically, which will actually, don't send that notification here. Now just open that charging case and we should get pop-up. There we go. In my case, I've got old software update, so I have to click to set up with limited functionality, and it's recognized as audio accessory. And after a few seconds, it will turn to the AirPods and everything will be fine. There we go. As you can see now, the pop-up is here and everything is fine.